Hi everyone, how are you? This side couple. I welcome you all on this channel that is CDS Nexus. I hope you all are doing well in your life. So today again I started this question series. I am going to solve number system question and we are going to start with number system and then I will do more question about on multiple topics. Okay, so let's start. This is first question which was there in your paper recently on 12th of April. We have to find the unit place. Okay, so here comes the role of concept that you can see 5. Okay, if any number is multiplied by 5, you will get unit digit either 0 or 5. Any number you take, when you multiply this number with 5, you only get these two numbers or two digits at the unit place of the number. Okay, so we can see 5 is here, so it will make, again if I am multiplying with the odd number, it will make unit digit as 5. So the simple answer would be 5. Okay, so this is very good concept, we can say. And when 5 is multiplied with any even number, you will get 0 as unit digit as a at a place. What I am saying, you will get 0 at unit place. Okay, so I hope you understood this concept well. When we are multiplying any number with 5, there are chances, or there will be 100% chances that you are going to get two digit, and that is 0 and 5. You can check 5 1 is a 5, 5 to the 10, 5 to the 15, 20 and so on. You what you are ended up with, either 0 or 5. Okay, so answer will be 5. Next question. Two consecutive natural numbers are always co-prime. Is it so? First, what are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers are those numbers whose SCF is 1. If I am taking 2 or 3, these numbers are not divided by any common number except 1. So those numbers whose common factor is 1, we call those number as co-prime number. Okay, so two consecutive natural number, so 1 2 3 4 5 so on. So you can see, when we are going to make pair of the consecutive numbers, one number you will get odd and other number you will get even. So there will be combination of odd and even and odd and even. So when you have odd and even, there will be no common factor except 1. So these number always will be co-prime number. I hope you understood. Okay, so first statement is correct. Second statement is, if m and n are relatively prime, means these two numbers are prime to each other, means they are not the prime number but they are relatively prime. What does it mean? Oh, sorry, what m and n are relatively prime? Yeah, relatively prime, I can say they are prime number. Am I right? Yeah, I am interpreting these this question in a right way. I think I have said wrong earlier. So m and n are relatively prime. So we can say these two numbers are prime to each other. Yeah, it means it could be 3, it could be 5, or it could be 2, it could be 7. Okay, so m and n always even. So it is wrong, because if they are prime number, 2 is only even prime number. So when 2 is even, then it will make whole number even, otherwise it is not going to make. So how you can say every time it will be even? So it is wrong. So here only answer 1. I hope you understood this question. Okay, first one is very easy, second is also very easy. They are relatively prime numbers. Okay, yeah, I think it is a right interpretation of this question. Now this is a question. So you have this number and you have to find how many numbers less than 10 are going to divide this number. So this looks very like in ugly manner, we can say, in a mathematics way. It does not look very good. So first I have to frame it where it look beautiful like her. So I have to make it beautiful. So I will not use any foundation. just I will just manipulate this, that its value remain the same, but its order just attract you. So what I can do, I can write 27 as 3 raised to power 3. I can write 9 3 to power 2, or 3 raised to power 2 40, and this I will not do anything here. So now I will multiply 3 to the power 81, then 80, then 379. Then you will take 379 as a common. So here 3 to power 2, 3 to power 1, and here 3 to power 0, and any numbers power 0, it means 1. So here 9 minus, yeah, you can see 5. Okay, so how many natural numbers? So natural numbers start with 1. So this number will be divided by 1, because every number divides like every number is divisible by 1. Okay, so then 1, then here is 5, so it will multiply 5. Here is 3, it will multiply by 3, and it is going to multiply by 9 also, because you can write this in the form of 3 to the power 2, and then so on, and it is going to be multiplied by 9. So with how many number it is going to be divided by divided, so it will be more than 3. Okay. So when I was solving this question, I thought it could be divided by 7, but it is not, because if we observe the pattern, when any number gets multiplied by 5, you can see it is not going to be multiplied by 7. Like if I take 5, if I take 10, then 15, then 20, then 25, then 30. So like 7, 14, 21, then 28, then 35. So you can see one thing, that the number will be more than 1, or it will be less somewhere. Okay, so it is not going to be divided by 7. I hope you understood these 3 questions. Yeah, so that's all. You will see me more consistent in uploading videos, and I hope it will help you and help me also, so we can grow together. Thank you.